Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation doing another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the FireTV Cube. Let's go ahead and show you the box. This is the front. This is the side. This would be the back. This would be the other side. Nothing important on the top or bottom. Alright, let's get started. Oh. I should probably follow the arrows. It has Amazon's trademark smile. And then here is the cube. It's a decent size. I'd say it's about the size of my fist. It's not very heavy. Let's go ahead and get this out of the plastic wrapping. It's got instructions directly on the cube. That's pretty good. Got rubber feet, and it looks kind of like an Echo Dot with the buttons on top. Let's see what else it came with. Came with a power adapter, optional IR extender cable, and optional Ethernet adapter. That is pretty nice. I've always liked how much more reliable Ethernet can be over wireless when you have a lot of wireless devices in the house. This is a 15 watt, I'll show you here, power adapter. Of course, we have what's in the box. A good place to position your FireTV Cube. How to connect it. And powering up the remote, that's important. And here's your get to know FireTV Cube. And the remote. Some easy commands, tips and troubleshooting. Warranty information. Oh, looks like a free gift. 1 year of Food Network Kitchen on Us. That's kind of nice. And of course, this is the standard Alexa remote. And like the guide said, it has 2 Amazon Basics batteries for the remote. And that's the bottom of the box. Now I did go ahead and bring in a stick. That way you can see the sheer size difference. So you could definitely do a low profile stick instead of the giant bulky cube here. But the cube is more to prevent you from having to buy a dot and a stick. Alright, thank you guys for joining us. We'll go ahead and catch you guys next time.